Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is Shamstoppers, and I am Wasilkamilbey. We want to talk about finding your law library. Have you found your law library? Huh? Have you called and asked around? Or have you just sat there and mope and complain and whine? Talk about how the system doing you bad? Huh? Have you found your law library? If you hadn't, you're in the rut that you're in now. Look what it says. A law library is a library designed to assist law students, attorneys, judges, and their law clerks. And here you are, anyone else. That anyone else is you, who finds it necessary to determine the state of the law. Okay? You have to determine that. You got to find that out. That's what you got to ask yourself. Have I sit down and really read any state laws, or am I just going by what somebody else tells me? Huh? Do you understand what the legalese is talking about? I know what they're talking about. I live this law. I don't practice anything. I know if I get out here, if I fuck up, harm somebody, injure somebody, I gotta pay the consequences. Okay? Fellas, if you don't want to retain our services, we tell y'all, read a book. That's what we tell y'all. Read a freaking book. Okay? And the government is not out to get you. Okay? You are out to get yourself. If you playing a PlayStation, if you playing these hoes, playing these games, you ain't worried about yourself. You letting these women make fun of you. You know you ain't read a book by yourself in years. Then hey, you need to check yourself. That's what need to be done. Okay? Go to the law library on Wikipedia. Okay? See what it says, right? See that? Look at that. Y'all see that? Let me keep going. Law Library of Congress. I know some of you guys, if y'all read, y'all head will start hurting. You know what I'm saying? Gotta break that spell that's what's on y'all. That's what you gotta do. Okay? Break that spell. All this information is on here. For you fellas who want a quick fix, you don't want to pay for my services, you want to feel like I owe you something, we owe you something, just because you're trying to get help. No. God help those who help themselves. Okay? That's what it is. So people, if y'all need any help, you're willing to invest and pay for our time, hey, because that's what you're paying for. You're paying for our time and a service that we provide. If you don't want to do it, oh well, hey, there's other people that have services, you know? They all got services. And when you retain our services, we require you to read. That's a main requirement. Stop taking selfies and take care of yourself. You hear me? Stop taking care of yourself. Just start taking care of yourself. Stop taking selfies. Excuse me. So, if y'all need, like I said, if y'all need any help, Shamstoppers.com, Wasilkamilbey at gmail.com, WalkingEmpire@gmail.com. The numbers will be below. If you don't read, and then if our services is too much, go to that lawyer, Illinois lawyer, and have fun with that. Go retain his services, okay? That's what you need to do. Retain his services. And ask him, can you get off of child support? I already know the answer. He do too. Because, you know, that's his job. He's doing his job. He's nothing wrong. He's just doing his job. You know, his job is to fuck you. Fuck you real good in your ass. Okay? With no Vaseline. So, like I said, if you need any help, hit us up. This ain't legal advice. Anti-anything. We promote intelligence. And we don't promote violence, but we promote that you take care of your property on your own. Peace.